Good morning, you guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Side of my mountain, climb until you reach my peak, babe, peak, babe, peak. Reach right to the bottom of my mountain. I want to play in your deep, deep, deep.
So, y'all, I was trying to find me some breakfast, right? And something is going on at the cafeteria at my school, child. Like, there's nothing but police officers and whatnot. So I'm taking my little happy self to McDonald's and trying to get me something to eat because I didn't really eat nothing last night and I'm starving. And I also want me some coffee, and I don't want to use the coffee that I got at the in my dorm because there's only a little bit left, and I don't want to buy a whole new tub of it when I'm finna leave anyway for fall break. So, girl, and why is everybody just standing around looking at each other like, what's going on? Or maybe they're just enjoying a beautiful day. Let me stop overthinking, but everybody acting weird to me today. But anyways, I'm headed to McDonald's, y'all. Might get me a little breakfast platter or just some oatmeal and a frappe. Because I need some caffeine in my system. But y'all, it's Vlogtober day. I think it's 3. I think this is 3. So yeah. No, this is 4. I think this is 4. So yeah, y'all. Oh wow, the clouds are dark down that way. It's gonna rain today. It's like bright right here, and then it's dark down that way. I think it is supposed to rain today. Oh child. But yeah, y'all. Today I really don't have no plans. I want to add like a little video in here of me doing something fun for Vlogtober, but like I said, you probably won't get no fun content until I get back home. I'll be able to do more stuff, and I got some things planned out for me to do, so it'll be more lit than just me talking all the time. So yeah, y'all, we're on the countdown. I think I got like 4 more days until I go home. So yeah, I'm excited about that. And yeah, y'all, I think I'm gonna just be chilling today. I ain't gonna be doing nothing for real. Do some schoolwork. This is probably gonna be the only time I go out for real. Probably not going back out today, honestly, unless I go get my dinner or something. But I might just make me some noodles in the dorm because I was craving noodles last night, but I never made them. I just made me a bag of popcorn and called it a day. So yeah, y'all, I'll get to y'all when I'm at McDonald's or whatever. It's literally right down the street, so it's not gonna take long. May I get your breakfast platter?
What else, honey?
Can I also get a medium caramel frappe?
Anything else for you?
That's all. Does the breakfast platter come with the pancakes?
Do you want the one with the pancakes?
Yes, please.
Okay, 3 to 12.
Thank you. Child, everybody having an attitude this morning, honey. Let me see if I got, because I got $10 on this gift card, but I wonder if I got 12 cents. Yes, I do. Uh-oh. I need another penny. Y'all, okay, there we go. Y'all, that's what I know when I'm getting older, when I be like paying with change and stuff like that. 'Cause, honey, who finna swipe their card? So I'm gonna take $10 off the gift card, and or I might not even have $10 on this gift card. Let me see. Good morning. Yeah. Oh, it was the big breakfast. The big breakfast and the frappe? Okay. All right, here you go. Thank you. you. You have a good day. Thank you. Ooh, y'all. Let me get myself together, honey. Ooh, child. Good morning. Thank you. All right, y'all. So, girl, I was gonna check my food, but you know how they be moving so fast. It's just like, like, let me just hurry up and get up out of here. All right. Go ahead and get up on out here, child, because I'm hungry. Oh, and the food smelling good and stuff. All right. Yeah, y'all. So only had what's 10 to track 3. Only had $7 on there because I need to pay like $3 more on my gift card. But hey, I had to swipe them visas. But all right, y'all, I'm headed back to the room. Finna eat, grub it up, dub. Then I'm gonna get some work done, so I don't have to worry about doing no work for the week. And I just can get ready and my mind right to get ready to go home. Do you feel me? Like, girl, let me take all this heat. It is hot in this car. Cause one thing about a car, yeah, I didn't do my baby hairs. I just woke up, literally just like woke up and headed out the door. Dang, what was I about to say? One thing about a car that ain't got no AC, like the heat will work for sure. Let me check my food when I'm at the stoplight. Oh yes, they give me some syrup. Oh, and a hash brown. No ketchup, but you know what? That's cool. That is okay, honey. Got my little frappe. I might do a little car mukbang today. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do a little car mukbang. So I'll get back to y'all when I get back to the room. All right, you guys, I am back. I'm finna try my frappe. You feel me? Yeah. Nice little medium. Girl, I'm the type, I like to mix in my whipped cream with my drinks because why you just leaving it there for decoration? It have a purpose, you feel me? So I'm just mixing in my drink real quick. Yes, honey. It's been so long since I had one of these. And you know, these actually be tasting like they really be having that caffeine taste. Like they don't be too sweet or anything. Let me pray with my food, y'all. Amen. All right, y'all. Ooh. I don't know what type of frappe machine they got, but it be put in the perfect like ratio. So y'all, I got a big breakfast platter. I used to tear these up, boy. It's been so long since I had one of these too. Like, they give you some syrup for your hot cakes. Cause I almost ordered the one without the pancakes, and that's what I was really craving this morning. So luckily I said something. The lady seemed like she had a little attitude, child, but honey, honestly, it do be like that. They probably not treating her right at that job. Got her overworking. She probably had to come in last night to work. But yeah, y'all, this what it look like. Hold on. Yes, pancake. You got your biscuit. Oh, I should have asked for honey. And then you get a hash brown. And some butter and napkins and things. So let me show y'all what I do. You feel me? I take that biscuit and I throw that egg on there and I throw the sausage on there. I don't think I'm gonna use that butter. One thing about me, I love me a good biscuit. I love me a good biscuit, honey. I think I just like breakfast food in general. Like, I wish I had some cheese, but I think this do their egg. I don't know. I usually don't eat egg without cheese, but with on a biscuit, like with something, I eat it. So boom, you feel me? You got your biscuit. Oh, I need some jelly. That's what I need for real, for real. That would be fine. But let me stop. That's my stomach talking. Let me go ahead and try this. Now that's what I'm talking about. And then you get these pancakes that be warmed up. You know they come frozen. I remember these at Burger King. They had that ring right there because they frozen. Yes, honey. Who these people? They don't look like they belong here. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. Y'all, too good. I don't know what I want to talk about. I don't know why I always do this, but I always park near like one of my dream cars. But I'm either parked beside it or in front of it or behind it. Just give me a reminder that, you know, that's gonna be me. That's gonna be me, point blank period. I need to lay off the hash browns because I've been eating a lot of, like in the morning at the cafeteria, they be selling like tater tots. And they be really greasy, so I need to lay off like all that because that's probably why my face looked the way it looked. And probably like my sugar intake too, because every time I consume a lot of sugar or like dairy or anything like that, my face breaks out a lot. So I just need to go like on a cleanse, like start eating healthier so my face can look more clear. Y'all, I'm gonna insert a little picture right here of how clear my face be. Like it could get this clear, but eventually if I start like eating a lot of sugar or drinking a lot of sugary drinks or something like that, or ice cream or candy or grease or anything, my face start breaking out. And it used to look worse than this back in the day, but you know what I mean. Let me see how much this was. I didn't have time to close up my wallet, child. It was handing me everything so fast. But that's a good thing. So, girl, the receipts be longer than CVS's receipts at McDonald's. Okay. So I got a medium caramel frappe, which was $3.99. Good gracious. Prices are going up, ain't they? Which was $3.99, basically $4 for a medium frappe. That's wild. And then a big breakfast with hot cakes was $5.49. So altogether it was $10.12, which isn't bad, honestly, which isn't bad. So if you got $10.12, honey, go to your nearest McDonald's and get you a hot cake breakfast. Let me put this on my pancake. Let me record. Oh, y'all see that? Fire. Look at that. Let me tell you. Oh, child, am I spilling it? Oh, yes. Let me not go too crazy, y'all. Let me not go too crazy. Y'all had to put that syrup down. It's getting a little too dangerous. Oh, let me not put it right here on my seat, child, because I don't want it to spill. I ain't going to put no butter on it because that's just doing too much. Let me try it. I already know these be fire. I think I prefer, I don't know what I prefer, pancakes or waffles. I don't know. I should do a video. Would I rather? Thank you, Lord. Good gracious. Oh, wow. It's been a minute since I had some good food, like some good cooked food. I can't wait to go back home. Because my family, they be knowing how to cook for real, for real. Now that's what I'm talking about. Let me stop saying that. This is good. A little warmed up hot cake. They should start selling grits. I don't even know if they sell grits, but grits be so good. Mm-hmm. Yup. That's when you know it's a good pancake. Look at my syrup. It done soaked up in the pancake, child. I'm really not talking about that for real. Let me think of a topic. Or a story time. Let me think. I don't know. Child, I'ma just eat. Hell. Child, one thing about me, I'm a hum when I eat. I be humming and dancing and stuff, like, child. Because why do food taste that good? Like, why does it taste that good? Like, you got no business tasting that good. And I have to pay for you? You know what I mean? So, yeah, y'all. I want to carve a pumpkin this year. I'm going to record me carving a pumpkin. I'm going to put like a little light in it and everything so it can glow up at night. I'm going to record that when I go back home. I want to bake. And I want to bake me some Halloween cookies. Or like just some fall thing stuff so I can record. You know, put more content out there. More fun festivities out there. I'm gonna try to get my sister to do some YouTube videos with me. She ain't got no choice. She ain't got no choice. I'm gonna be Jada. Wait. But yeah, y'all. Might go to the gym. Might show y'all me at the gym. That's my sister calling. That's my sister calling. So I'll talk to y'all later. Let me hit my sister up real quick. You feel me? Oh, that was my sister, and I just got me a free ride. You feel me? They finna come scoop your girl up, and I'm finna go somewhere with them. So that's lit. Look at y'all. Got some more. You feel me? Got some more content to film. Oh, I'm full, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. I'm full. But let me go, oh, I am so full. I don't know where that came from, like. And that's another thing. When y'all full, don't keep eating. Stop eating. Don't force yourself to eat. That's how, you know what I'm saying? Oh. Just how much I ate. You feel me? I only got one pancake left and a little bit of biscuit. And some hash browns. But you know, who couldn't throw this away? I'm finna put this in a little bag and eat it later when I get back. Ain't got time for wasting food, honey. Let me put some of this, that's a little bit of syrup. Let me put some right here. Stick it right there, child. Oh, but yes, honey, let me get ready for today. I'm excited now. I get to go out because I was really sitting here like what I'm gonna do, but like I was saying, I think that's really why how I just talked up my sister. Like I was literally talking about my sister and she just called. My mind is so powerful, you feel me? All right. Let me go in here, honey, and take me some Toms. Cause child, my stomach be hurting so bad after I eat like greasy food and stuff, and like it making weird noises, like it's trying to digest. Like it be making some weird sounds. I don't know why, but I'm gonna go in there and take me some Toms, honey. Change my outfit because this was just like a little chill outfit for me to wear. Like I don't know what I got on my shirt. Like y'all see that? I don't know what this is. on my shirt. Like, I guess I washed it weird. And, like, I don't know. Because it's not wet. And it was clean. But, y'all, I don't know what that is. But, yeah, I'm so excited now. So, let me go in the house. Not the house. Let me go in my dorm. Let me go on my temporary residency. And get ready. Because they said they're on the way soon. Look at God. He just knew. He knew I wanted to get out of the house today. He knew how bad I wanted to go home. Oh, child, let me clean up my purse too, honey. Because one thing about me, I'm going to keep some receipts. Look at all this. Child, I got to, girl, let me go ahead and get up out of here so I can get ready. And, yeah, welcome to Vlogtober Day 4. So y'all stay tuned with your girl. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you turn on that post notification bell so y'all guys do not miss. So you guys do not miss when I post a new video. So I see y'all later, my crew. If I don't film, then I'm just gonna end the video here and start a new vlog. So yeah, I either see y'all in the next clip or the next video.
Just sits on his broken soul. No, I don't want your number. No, I don't wanna give you mine. And no, I don't wanna meet you nowhere. No, don't
been. All in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my mind, and my body. My body says my mind, my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? Better last till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body.
Look at this nice coat that I found. I always wanted a long coat like this. You feel me? This is cute. It's a MK, you feel me? Oh yes, I like that. Guys, I'm finally back to the room. They finally dropped me off. I got a big bag full of winter coats, y'all. Wasn't I just saying that I needed some winter coats? Like, ain't God good? Ain't God good? And my sister bought all that for me. All of that. Like, I am so blessed. Like, I just been so spoiled today. Like, what a blessing, you guys. So I just wanted to say, like, I just thank God. I thank God for providing me and letting me have such a wonderful family. Like, my family is so good. They always look out for me. I'm telling you. I'm just so loved, and I'm just so happy that I got to go out today and have a good day. But I'm ending off the vlog right here, you guys. Welcome to Vlogtober day 4. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace out, my crew.